In today's video, I'll show you how you can customize cash flow report in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. So here we are in QuickBooks, and from here, what we want to do is that we're going to go here into QuickBooks and log into our account and navigate into the left menu. In here, you would want to go into Reports, click on that, and then you'll be prompted in here. And now you would want to go here into this drop-down menu and then go into the statement of cash flow right here. So right here, statement of cash flows, click on that, and then you'll now be prompted in here. So next thing that you'd want to do is that you want to hit the customize button right here on the top right. So click on that. And then this right pane would pop up. And then now we have the general tab right here. So you can see the report period. So you can set it monthly, quarterly, or custom dates. And then in here is that we also have the number format, negative numbers, and so on. The rows and columns. So you can group by customer, a vendor, class, location. You can see that right here. And then we have the filters. So you can narrow down by account, transaction type, or the tag. Right here, you can check that boxes. And then here in the header or footer, you can rename the report, add your logo, or change the layout if you'd want to. Like for example, here, show logo. And yeah, those are the options. And then once you're satisfied with everything that you did, click on Run Report. And then just like that, you have now successfully changed or customized the cash flow report. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.